Welcome to JH. Today, we are exploring an efficient way to sync Jira with Notion, creating a unified workflow that merges Jira's project management capabilities with Notion's flexibility. This guide is ideal for project managers, software developers, or anyone managing tasks across multiple platforms who wants to enhance their productivity by linking these two powerful tools. To begin, navigate to the Notion homepage. If you haven't signed in recently, click the Login button to see your options. For a faster setup, select Continue with Google and pick your account from the list. This step assumes you already have a Google account prepared. If not, take a moment to set one up before you proceed. Once you are inside Notion, the real magic begins. Go to the specific workspace or project page where you want the integration to live. Click on any blank text area and type /Jira to bring up the integration menu. From the list, select Jira Sync. You will then be asked to provide your Jira site details and authentication credentials so Notion can access your data. After entering this information accurately, click Next. Now, choose your specific Jira site from the provided list to ensure Notion connects to the correct workspace. Following this, you will have the chance to create a new sync. Here, you can specify exactly which tasks, projects, or updates you want to transfer between the two apps. Once your selections are made, finalize the connection by clicking Done. Your Notion page will now pull real-time data from Jira based on your settings. This setup allows you to view updates and collaborate without constantly switching between platforms. If you notice a notification about hidden groups, simply click on it to reveal all synchronized data. This ensures you have a complete view of your tasks without missing any details. By following these steps, you make project tracking much smoother. This integration is a game changer for team collaboration and ensures that everyone stays on the same page regardless of which tool they prefer to use. Keep refining your setup to ensure both platforms complement each other effectively. Happy syncing!